how's it going? Today we're going to show you how to make a cucumber gin fizz if you stay tuned to watch it.
It's yummy.
So you want to make drinks like this at home? Of course you do. So pick up the home bartender starter kit at shop.awesomedrinks.com. Comes with everything you need, including free shipping. Welcome to Continental Cocktails. We're going to make the cucumber gin fizz. Gin fizz. Ian,
yes,
Dan, Derek we're gonna watch him make a gin fizz, and we're gonna criticize all of his work. Yes. Then we're gonna drink it. We're gonna take a photo of it, and then that's it. Really.
It's gonna be good. Cucumber gin fizz, already know it's going to be good.
So here's the recipe. It's 2 ounces of London dry gin, so you know it's good. It's 2 ounces. 3 to 4 cucumber slices, muddle as he's doing. 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice. 1/2 ounce of St-Germain elderflower. 1/4 ounce simple syrup. 1 egg white, optional, but why not?
Yeah.
2 ounces of soda water. And no, you don't shake this like a Ramos gin fizz because we only have it's a 10-minute shake, and that would just be a lot. So you're gonna muddle your mince. Your mince. You're gonna muddle your cucumbers in the shaker.
No mint.
You're gonna add all the other shit onto it. You're gonna need to double strain this, otherwise, I think, right? Otherwise, you're gonna end up.
Yes, you're gonna have cucumber bits.
Yeah, I don't know if it says double strain. Yep.
Yeah.
I was gonna anyway.
There's certain things you just learn how to do. You shake citrus. You double strain when you've got a lot of garbage inside your drink.
The dry shake, egg whites.
Egg white dry shake. Yeah.
Unless you want to do a reverse shake and be cool.
Yep.
I'm
sure there's a couple more.
That's like a pain in the ass sometimes.
Yeah, I'm not cool enough for that.
Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah, so
you can stick the whole lime in that thing.
Yeah, you can stick the whole lime in there, and then you just squeeze it like a man, and then.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, and then you just squeeze it.
You got to do that on camera, and nobody saw it.
It's okay. They know about
it. Oh, they can see that one.
Okay.
A little bit. I can make sure they see that one. Yeah, Booze on the Rocks told me to get that. You should check out his channel. It's Booze on the Rocks.
That's cool.
Yeah, works pretty well.
It's handy.
I got to get one of those, but
where are you gonna put it?
Where the fuck do you put that thing? Though? That's my problem.
You need a bar. Oh, you have a bar. Just put it on your bar top thing with all your shaker stuff.
That thing's big. My wife's here. Do you think she's gonna let that shit on there?
Well, think about it. Let's say somebody's breaking in.
Just put it somewhere she can't reach it.
It was made out of like gold or something.
Yeah, but put it someplace that she uses as a weapon.
No, then she'll hit me.
Oh, that's probably true. Especially.
Yeah.
Well, don't do stupid shit.
That's hard. That's
that's
why I still keep the shit out.
You've got so many outs here, and you do not want to take any.
Yeah, I mean.
Well, look at the top of it. You take the handle off, that becomes a sex toy.
Wait.
What? So keep it in your bedroom then. I don't know.
That went deep.
Look at the handle.
No pun intended.
You can't say no pun intended when you actually meant the pun.
Yeah. Yeah, you did mean the pun.
Yeah, I did.
Oh.
Pun intended.
No, I didn't really. I mean.
Also, to note, this is slightly tweaked a little bit. So.
Go ahead. You're fucking with that European cucumber.
Yeah.
I chose.
You're going over there. You got to get ready.
I chose to go with a little bit of the St-Germain instead of just going full on sugar. That's why you're like a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. I mean,
well, St-Germain makes
realistically, you could probably you could probably do a whole like a 3/4 ounce St-Germain and then just
no sugar.
Simple syrup.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not going to be as sweet as sugar, but like if you're making
look at that effect.
If you don't want to like make a complicated drink, it's easier because it's got a lot of shit going on.
It does.
Right, like Ian and I have done this shit. If he was at a bar, they would have fired him.
Yeah. Well, if I was at a bar, I'd have a better set.
Wow.
Probably you'd have a speed bar.
Just call your shit out.
I'd be able to speed pour.
Yeah, you wouldn't be trying to break my glass by jamming ice.
That's what we need. We need to get pours.
We need.
Don't piss off the bartender.
We start counting.
Yeah. That's what we need. We need to get professional.
But that professional is what he's doing. It's not like we work at like a sports bar.
I was giving it some extra shakes because I know when you do with the egg white, it gets a little bit extra foamy.
Yeah.
I don't like that.
Plus, you're going to add some closer.
Maybe someday he'll have to work at a sports club.
Yeah, when he retires.
Yeah.
Yeah, like a couple years.
So if he doesn't know how to speed pour, then...
Maybe it's a 1/4 ounce.
It's just, it's just another thing that we can judge him on.
I don't even want to double strain this to get rid of that egg white foam. I'm going to we're suffering through some cucumber bits because it's not like we can't eat them anyway.
I'm fine. I mean, the cucumber bits aren't going to come through there.
He's got to press down all the way, so.
Look how beautiful that is. We need to leave how much space? A couple ounces?
Yeah, probably. Because I don't, dude.
Oh, that's gonna.
I'm just gonna let you know right now. This could end up real happy.
That is gonna shoot.
Yeah, you want to. That's a smart idea. Because like that shit's gonna blow the foam all over the place.
Yeah, we don't want that.
Is he even gonna? I like how he's not pointing anywhere near my camera. Oh, he's on this small one over here.
He's there, kind of. It's a tall glass. That's
is.
actually not his fault. There's nowhere where he can go.
Thank you, Dan.
I love you.
Get that on your upper lip, buddy.
Now that looks like something I'm gonna need. Wow, it's got like you can see like
Look at that.
murkiness.
That looks nice. doesn't
That
it?
is.
It was smoking when I popped
See?
up the dry. When I popped up after the wet shake,
Mm.
it was like
Fizzy.
it was smoke.
Smoke. Mist.
Mist. That's the
Mist.
word. Yeah, because it
Mist.
wasn't hot.
Yeah. I wasn't on.
Facts,
That
bro.
checked out.
So here's the question though. Like, is there cocktail here,
No.
or is it all just foam?
You tell me.
It tastes like foam infused cucumber.
Oh, hold on. I want some.
That's it though. Just foam infused
Cucumber
cucumber.
foam. There's nothing wrong with that.
No, it's probably easier than actually infusing it. Although
Yeah.
I could have put them in there.
It's so light. I like it. I like a gin fizz like this.
And it's springy tasting because of the cucumber. Muddled cucumber so much better than like
Oh,
a
good.
simple syrup cucumber.
It's fresh.
Yeah.
Light.
It's got bits of real cucumber, so you know it's good.
Yeah. Well, now you know it's legit.
Yeah, like that's like a $17
Anchorman
cocktail.
reference. Anybody who's seen that?
Maybe like 25 years ago.
What's that?
Creamy. Is it giving you the yogurt effect?
That's giving me the yogurt effect, bro.
Boom.
I thought your pants looked a little tight.
I was just like, boom, wow. Is that so? The yogurt effect is a pants thing.
We shouldn't have let him
Excited?
drink the rest of that.
Challenge accepted.
Challenge accepted.
Whee! Vitamin.
Vitamin. Was that B12 buzzing by?
I can feel my like muscles expanding as I sit here, just ripping. Anyway,
The rest of the night, no fucks given.
like, is he drunk? No,
No,
exactly
no.
the opposite.
He just
No.
full hyperbole.
He's on B12, H.
Vitamin hyperbole. You know what though? That's fucking dry. That's
Yeah.
dry
Yeah.
as fuck.
Yeah.
Like,
It makes you want more.
yeah,
It's
but
good,
every
though.
time I do it, it's not solving the problem. Of
Which
the
means
dryness.
you need another
Yeah.
one. Right?
Yeah.
And you just got to keep drinking it.
Mm.
But like, it's dry. Like, and you just, so I don't know about
Well,
that.
the egg white dries it out. Right?
Yeah. It's
Mm.
coat your tongue so you're not getting a lot
The
of
cucumber, the lime are old. So they're dried up.
Wait, what do you mean? The cucumber and the lime are old?
No, the cucumber's pretty
It's
good.
pretty wrinkly on the end.
This? I bought that today.
Oh, well. Look how smooth it is over
Fuck
here.
you,
Look how
Hannaford.
wrinkly it is up there.
Well, it's European.
It's a little shriveled. Yeah.
Yeah.
I had circumcised.
He sat there for a few seconds. I'm like, I don't know where we're going. How deep
I
is
didn't
this
know
going to
where I
go? I didn't know it was going to be a Pornhub reference. Where we're going. This. Do you guys get
Pornhub's
the?
dead.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Do you get any of the elderflower though?
Yeah.
I got a little bit. It's not.
I feel like last time I had this conversation about elderflower, you guys were like, you don't taste elderflower. Like
I
last
thought
time.
the elderflower would come across more.
I think the dryness mutes
The
it
dry,
a little
like-
bit because it's a super strong flavor anyway.
Yeah.
Right? It always is.
Yeah.
And there's like what, a half
You
ounce?
put a
in
half
there?
ounce in. I mean, you can usually taste it.
It's that there's a lot of cucumber flavor to it,
Mm.
and it's like kind of light and bouncy. So
I
it's-
think the egg kind of neutralizes it. The dryness kind of
yeah,
neutralizes
and
it.
eggs optional if you don't want to do that. Like if you're making them at home, I probably wouldn't unless I use like the egg white stuff because like I get yolks.
Come on, just
We go through this whole story. and now I'm
no,
gonna have
just
to make a
crack the
salad
egg.
dressing
And
with
don't
a fuck.
be a baby.
Yeah, exactly. Like that's like 37 cents.
No,
It's
not
probably-
anymore.
It's probably 80 cents. I don't know.
For-
Unless you come on, eggs are like $2 now.
They're not even. It was $1.19.
For 12?
It's $1.19, kid. Come on.
$1.19
I went
for
to
a
the
dozen
basket
eggs?
and I got my eggs,
That's $3.50 for
and I
3,000.
broke them. I broke them, and they were fine.
Dude, I did once open my back of the Jeep.
Oh,
The only thing that fall out were the eggs, all of them on the
Oh, I
ground
hate
into
that.
the snow, and then they fucking froze. And I had to
Was that this
shovel
winter?
yolk.
Because that happened to me this winter too.
Yes, it was
There's
this
only
winter.
6 eggs because I don't buy dozens, but
Well, mine was a dozen,
But
and they
still-
were like, it was like $7.
I buy the organic Pete and Jerry's or whatever they are.
Yeah.
It's-
yeah, but that's
it's
because I buy 4 to 5 dozen a week.
I
What?
eat like an.
Yeah,
I eat
Wait,
like
you
3
guys
eggs
get a
week.
fucking wholesale discount? Is that how come she just said it was like $1, not some dollars for
no,
a
you
buck?
go to the basket, kid. They got them at the basket.
For $2?
Yeah.
For 12
12?
eggs?
Yeah.
For $2?
Yeah. Brown ones too.
Fuck, I've
No, I
never
don't get
seen
them
that.
white racist ones.
Mine are always like $5.99. We get the Nelly free range where they let them
So
go
you, guys
outside.
get, you guys get like the free range bullshit eggs.
Oh, that's
the organics
yeah,
are a little
yeah.
fresher. So
We
I
also
just do
do
like
that.
a fried egg every day. They just taste better. I'm not scrambling or using them in other things. I'm eating the egg by itself.
Yeah, we
so
get-
I like the good eggs.
we
for
get the
that.
high end eggs, but we don't get like 7 dozen or whatever the fuck you're getting. We get like 12
My
to
kids
24.
Just the two of them, they eat 7 eggs a day.
It's good
What
for
the
you.
fuck?
Good protein.
That's a lot of eggs. What do they make? How do you get that creative?
They eat the same thing every day.
They like scramble them or something, or they sunny side them and throw 7 of them on a fucking plate.
Tyler sunny sides it, and then Ruby scrambles it. But what Tyler's been doing is he makes rice, and then he cracks the egg, separates it, and just puts the yolk in the rice.
Yeah,
And mixes it. Doesn't cook the yolk. He just cracks the yolk in
that's good. Yeah,
and just eats the rice
Whoa.
with the
What the
yolk.
fuck's he doing with the white?
He throws it. He just,
Dude, you should be fucking sitting there.
I
He
know.
should put it in a protein shake.
Yeah.
That's
Dude,
I'm like, God damn it.
you're losing all these whites.
I know, but I'm not there when he's doing it.
Yeah,
so.
that's what he's joking there somewhere.
oh, it's not hiding.
Fair enough. I'm going to be canceled, but in any case, it was worth it for this cocktail.
You're not anybody unless you're getting canceled.
Right. Yeah.
But we were putting the whites down. I mean,
Right. That's true.
Yeah.
We can't be canceled by whites.
Yeah.
First off, I'm one,
Yeah.
and I feel like I can call white people white. Seems white. Okay.
I want darker
face.
shade.
Fair enough. Go try yourself a Cucumber Gin Fizz. It's worthwhile. We use Bombay Sapphire. You could use whatever you got for a gin. It says London Dry.
Yeah.
If you want it dry, you can make it a little sweeter, add a little citrus in there, use American gin. I don't know, aviation, something like that.
If you want it a little bit sweeter, you can just add a little bit more simple syrup.
Like that.
It's all good.
Cut the egg white out if you don't want to dry it out.
Yeah. You're a baby.
That's it, my friends. We're teaching you how to drink.